It started out, we just wanted to sell the perfect plate of barbecue and help people along the way. And then the more I've gotten into it and the more I've said that out loud, the more I want people to know how I'm doing it. We really believe that we can be the Nike of barbecue. And the reason I picked Nike was because he didn't start the company to make running shoes. He took Nike to help athletes achieve their goals and achieve the things that they wanted to achieve and the things that they wanted to do. So for me, I want to do the same thing just through barbecue and help grow and develop our community and people and other business leaders and just leaders in general.